Good afternoon, students. Today I'm doing Class 8 History, Chapter 1, The Beginning of Modern World, Part 1. When we study the beginning of the modern world, history in most countries is classified into three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern. Now, each period has some characteristics like political, economic, religious, and social, which set it apart from other periods. It helps to put past into perspectives. So, classification has always helped to bring a sense of order and continuity to the confusing array of historical events and historical process. Topic is a period of transition. Due to the stage of development, historical period differ from country to country. In Europe, modern period started in 15th century. In India, it started in the mid 18th century. Major turning point came in India's transition when British had conquest with India. But for the first time, India was subjected to an alien rule for about 200 years. Now, students can develop the idea of modern world when they come across certain characteristic features which differentiates modern era from medieval era. So these are some features which I have written: urbanization, rationalism, humanism, and industrialization. But there are few more like democratic institution, technological advancement, and fundamental civil liberties. In order to know the history of modern world, large quantity of source material for the modern age in India help us to study the history of this period in detail and accuracy. So this source material is also of two kinds: primary and secondary. In primary sources you have newspapers, archaeological monuments. In secondary we have reports, articles written by historians, and how they have been helpful to provide information regarding the modern world. So in the coming class we will be dealing with modern period in Europe. Thank you.